Welcome back to Wander Offroad, the channel that's all about breaking free from the daily grind and immersing ourselves in the beauty of nature. And today, we have a requested video for you guys, the Dometic hydration jugs. You might be thinking, why do we need a video about water jugs? Well, stick around because you're about to find out how these jugs can make a huge improvement on your camping setup. So first things first, why do Dometic hydration jugs matter? Well, they're not just about holding water. They can help you save money, reduce your environmental impact, and improve your camping setup. The cost for the jugs are $70, and the additional water pump is $99. But you can use this without the electric water pump. Here are some of the key features to consider. It's compact for an 11-liter capacity or 3 gallons in Freedom units. The material is BPA free and it's made of high quality food grade plastic. It has a leak proof design and ideal to prevent spillage when in transport. They're also very easy to clean. These jugs do have removable parts that are easy for access for cleaning. The accessories you can get make this a lot easier to use, which is a electric water pump, but you can use it without that, of course. It's also a modular design, which makes it very easy to make them stackable, and these handles are removable as well. Now let's talk about the benefits of using a Dometic water jug. The cost savings are very good. Saying goodbye to those expensive single-use water jugs, and Dometic can save you money in the long run. They're eco-friendly, so it helps reduce your waste and carbon footprint by using a reusable water jug. The convenience, they're always have clean and refreshing water on hand for drinking, cooking, and a lot more. And finally, the ease of use. Just set the jug up, plug in the pump, and you're ready to go. And there you have it, folks. Everything you need to know about the Dometic hydration jugs. Whether you're looking to save money, reduce waste, or have access to clean water, these jugs are a fantastic addition to your camping setup. Thank you for joining us today, and if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss a video from Wander Offroad. Also, the link for this product can be found in the description below. And until next time, stay hydrated and stay tuned for some awesome content right here on Wander Offroad. You can't go wrong with that.